Hello, in this video I'll be using this example to explain simultaneous equation. But meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Half the sum of two numbers is 20 and 3 times their difference is 18. Find the numbers. Now, we don't know the numbers. We will start by saying let the numbers be x and y. Since we have two variables, it implies this question is simultaneous equation. Now, in solving what problem? Each of the statements in the question is very important. Now, from the first statement, we are told that half the sum of two numbers is 20. Sum means plus, that is addition. Half means divide by 2. And our numbers are x and y. We are told that half the sum of these two numbers is 20. It implies x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 20. We can simplify this equation by cross multiplying. If we cross multiply, this will become x plus y times 1, which is x plus y equal to 2 times 20 is 40. Let's call this equation 1. From the second statement, we are told that 3 times their difference is 18. If our number are x and y, 3 times their difference means subtraction, that is minus. So 3 times their difference can be written as this. 3 times their difference, we are told that is equal to 18. We can also simplify this equation by dividing both sides by 3. Divide this side by 3, we divide this side by 3. If we divide both sides by 3, we cancel 3, we'll be left with x minus y equal to 18 divided by 3 is 6. Let's call this equation 2. We can solve this both equations simultaneously. So this will become x plus y equal to 40 equation 1 and x minus y equal to 6 equation 2. We can solve this equation by method of elimination. We can decide to eliminate x, and this can be done by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Let's subtract. If we subtract this from this, x minus x is 0. Now we're left with y minus y is 2y equal to 40 minus 6 is 37. We can get the value of y by dividing both sides by 2. So this will be 2y divided by 2 equal to 37 divided by 2. 2 we cancel 2. Y will be equal to 17. Y will be equal to 17. Now we can get the value of x by substituting y in any of the equation. Let's substitute y in equation 1. Our equation 1 is x plus y equal to 40. This is our equation 1. We can substitute the value of y in this equation. So this will become x plus 17 equal to 40. Our y is 17. So that our x will be equal to 40 minus 17 if we transpose. So x will be equal to 23. It implies the values of x and y are 17 and 23. Thank you.